In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your library on the Epic Games website, and I'll also explain the important difference between the website and the Epic Games launcher, so you know exactly where to find your owned games. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick gaming guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once the page loads, sign in to the account you use for Epic Games. This step is important because your library and purchase history are tied to your account, so if you're signed into the wrong account, you may not see the games you expect. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This will open your account options. From there, click Account. That takes you into your Epic Games account settings, where you can manage different parts of your profile, settings, and transaction history. Now, if you're trying to find games you've purchased or claimed, go to Transactions and then click Purchases. This is the section that shows your owned game purchases and related transaction details. It's the closest thing to a library view on the Epic Games website, and it's useful if you want to verify what you own or check past purchases. That said, here's the key thing to remember. The full library view is mainly available in the Epic Games launcher, not the website. So if you're looking for the complete game library with install and launch options, you'll usually need to open the launcher on your PC or Mac and sign in there. The website is great for checking account information and purchase history, but the launcher is the better place for your full game collection. If you only wanted to confirm that a game is tied to your account, the Transactions and Purchases section should do the job. But if you want to actually browse all your games in one place, install them or launch them directly, download and open the Epic Games launcher and check the library tab there. So to recap, go to the Epic Games website, sign in, click your profile icon, open account, then go to Transactions and Purchases to see owned games. And if you need the complete library, use the Epic Games launcher instead. It's a simple process once you know where to look. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.